Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel AF, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It is so good to be here today. I'm Jimmy. How are you today, Anna?
I am great, Jimmy. I am happy, I have my coffee, and I am ready to talk. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. I am ready too. Today we have a big topic, a very important topic.
Oh, a big topic. I like big topics. What is it?
The topic today is don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Ooh, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. Wow, that is strong, Jimmy.
It is strong, but it is very, very good. It is about continuing, not stopping.
I love this. This is so important for learning English. Yes. Oh, yes, for English, for work, for cleaning the house.
Oh, yes, cleaning the house. Well, before we talk about cleaning, we want to say thank you. Thank you for watching Mr. English Channel.
Yes, we are so happy you are here. Please, if you like our podcast, take 1 second and click like. Yes, a like is wonderful. And please subscribe. Click the subscribe button. It helps our channel very much.
And share. Share with your friends, your family, everyone who wants to learn English in a fun way.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, Jimmy, I am ready. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Okay, let's talk first. Tired. What is tired, Anna?
Tired. Tired is my eyes are sleepy. I want my bed. I want my pillow. My body is slow.
Yes, that is a perfect description. You are sleepy. You want to rest. You want the sofa.
Yes, I love the sofa. And done. What is done? Ah, done is finished, complete. The job is zero, the job is finished.
Finished, yes. My homework is done. My food is done. The work is finished. Exactly. So the idea is, don't stop when you feel sleepy. Stop when the work is done.
This is hard, Jimmy. This is very hard.
I know it is hard. Let's think about learning English.
Okay, yes, our students are learning English.
Yes, and learning English is a big job. It is not fast.
No, it is not one day. I study, I listen, I read, and my brain is tired.
Yes, my brain is tired too. Sometimes I read a book in English. I read 1 page, okay. 2 pages, okay. 3 pages, my eyes are sleepy. I am tired. I want to close the book.
Yes, you want to close the book and watch TV?
Yes, TV is easy. English is work. But is the chapter done? Is the lesson done?
No, the lesson is not done. So I am tired, but I must continue. I must keep going.
Keep going, but how, Anna? I am so tired.
Okay, good question. Maybe the goal is too big. Maybe the goal is read the book. That is too big.
Yes, a whole book.
Let's make a small goal. The goal is read 2 pages or read for 10 minutes.
Ah, 10 minutes. Okay, I am tired, but I can do 10 minutes. 10 minutes is small.
Yes, it is small. So you read for 10 minutes, you are tired, but you read, and then, ding, 10 minutes.
I am done.
You are done. Yes, done for today.
Wow, that is great.
I am tired, and I am done.
Yes, and how do you feel? You feel tired, but you also feel good. You feel I did it.
Yes, I did it. I am good. I studied my English.
But if you stop, you are tired, you close the book, you watch TV, how do you feel later?
Later, I feel bad.
Bad? Why?
Because I did not study. The TV was okay, but my English, no progress.
Exactly. You are tired and you are sad. That is not good.
No, tired and sad is very bad.
I like tired and happy. Tired and happy is much better.
Me too. Okay, so small steps. The goal is done for today.
Yes.
Let's think of exercise.
Exercise. Okay, do you like exercise, Anna?
I like to walk.
Walking is good. Walking is great exercise.
Yes, I like to walk in the park. My goal, my plan, is to walk for 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay, that is a good goal.
I start, I walk, 5 minutes, easy. 10 minutes, I am good.
Uh-huh.
15 minutes, I am tired. My legs are tired, I am hot.
I know this feeling, and you see a chair, a nice, comfortable chair.
Yes, the chair calls my name. Anna, sit, rest. Hello, Anna. And I am so tired. I want to stop.
But what is the goal?
The goal is 30 minutes.
And you are at 15 minutes.
Yes, I am tired. I am not done. See, this is the moment, the important moment. What do you do?
I think about tired and sad.
Good.
I don't want tired and sad. I want tired and happy, so I must continue.
Yes, keep going. Maybe walk slow, not fast, just slow.
Okay, a small step. I walk slow, 20 minutes, 25 minutes,
You are almost there.
30 minutes, finished, done.
Wow, good job, Jimmy. And now, how do you feel?
I am very tired, but I feel strong, I feel happy. I did it.
Yes, you finished your goal. You are done. Now you can sit on the chair.
Ah, yes, now the chair is a prize.
A prize, yes, a reward. You work, then you rest.
Oh, I like that. The rest is a prize. It is not stopping, it is finishing.
Yes, you earned the rest. Good job.
This is very good. Okay, English, exercise. What about, the kitchen?
Oh no, the kitchen.
After dinner, I cook, I eat, the food is good, I am full, I am happy, and I am very tired.
Yes, very, very tired. I look at the kitchen. There are plates, glasses, pots.
It is a big job, a big, dirty job.
And my sofa is calling. Anna, TV.
The sofa is always calling.
I am so tired. I think, maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow. The bad word.
Yes, tomorrow is bad. Why? Because you go to sleep, you wake up, the morning is new, you go to the kitchen, and the kitchen is dirty.
Yes, the plates are still there. The pots are still there.
Oh, and now I am not tired, but I am sad. Sad morning.
Sad morning. It is a bad start to the day.
Okay, so back to dinner. I am tired. I look at the kitchen. What do you do?
I say, no, Anna, not tomorrow. Now.
Good.
I stop when I am done. So I wash the plates. I wash the glasses. I clean the table. It is maybe 20 minutes. It is work. I am tired, but it is done. The kitchen is clean.
Yes.
And now I go to the sofa.
Ah, and how is the sofa now?
The sofa is wonderful. It is the best sofa. I am tired, but I am proud.
Proud. That is a great word. Proud is I did a good job.
Yes, I am proud. The kitchen is clean. I am happy. I can relax.
See? The hard choice, cleaning, makes you happy later.
And the easy choice, tomorrow, makes me sad later.
Yes, exactly. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
It is about feeling good after the work. I understand the work. Study, exercise, cleaning. It is not always fun.
No, It is work.
But the feeling, the done feeling, that is fun.
Yes, the done feeling is the prize.
So Anna, this is a big idea, but why is it so hard? Why do we always want to stop?
That is a good question.
I think our body, our brain wants to be comfortable.
Comfortable. Yes, the sofa is comfortable. The bed is comfortable.
Yes, and work is not comfortable.
No, work is not comfortable. So our brain says, stop, go to comfort, go to the sofa.
Yes, my brain says that.
But comfortable is not progress.
Progress? What is progress?
Progress is moving forward, getting better, learning new things.
Ah, progress is learning 10 new English words.
Yes, progress is walking 30 minutes, not 15.
Progress is a clean kitchen.
Yes, and progress that makes us happy, very, very happy.
So comfortable now is so happy. Work now is very happy later.
That is it. You said it perfectly. Work now, happy later.
Okay, so I am tired. I want to stop. What is the secret? What do I do?
Okay, secret number 1. Remember the goal. Why did you start?
Okay, the goal. I started English because I want to travel. I want to meet new people.
Good. So when you are tired, think travel. Think new friends. Don't think tired.
Okay, focus on the goal. Good. What is secret number 2?
Secret number 2, make the step small.
Ah, yes, 10 minutes.
Yes, don't think, I must study for 3 hours. No, that is too big.
Yes, 3 hours, I go to bed.
Me too. Think, I must finish 1 lesson, or I must write 5 sentences. Small, easy.
Small goals are easy to finish. And when you finish one small goal, you feel good.
Yes, I am done.
And maybe you have energy for one more small goal.
Ooh, yes, okay, 5 more minutes.
Exactly. Small steps make a big journey.
Wow, okay. Goal and small steps. Is there a secret number 3?
Yes. Secret number 3, the prize.
The prize? I like prizes.
Me too. The prize is after the work.
Yes, the sofa is the prize after the kitchen is done.
Yes, my prize is coffee. I finish my study, then I have a nice coffee.
My prize is music. I finish my walk, then I listen to my favorite songs.
That is perfect. The prize helps you finish. It helps you get to done.
This is great, Jimmy. 1, remember the goal. 2, make small steps. 3, get the prize after.
This is how you stop when you are done, not when you are tired.
I feel motivated.
You are strong, Anna, and everyone listening, you are strong too.
Yes, you are all strong. Learning English is a big job, and sometimes you are tired.
Yes, very tired. You study, and you think, my English is slow, and you want to stop.
Yes, but don't stop. Remember your goal. Why do you want English? For travel? For friends? For a good job?
Yes, and make a small step today. Learn 3 new words.
Yes, and when you are done, get your prize. Listen to 1 English song.
That is a good prize. You are working and having fun.
Yes. Oh, this is so good. Keep going. Don't stop. You can do it. We believe in you.
Yes, we do. Wow, Anna, this was a great talk. I feel ready to finish my work for today.
This is a very important idea. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
That's right. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was fun. Please, if you liked this topic, don't forget to subscribe.
Yes, subscribe to our channel and give this video a big like if you feel motivated too.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us 1 small goal you will finish this week.
Will you finish 1 chapter? Will you clean 1 room? Let us know in the comments.
Yes, keep going, everyone. You are doing a great job.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Bye. Keep working.